Hello, my name is Doug Davis, and this is part 2 of how to fill out your registered charity information return T-3010, which is due 6 months after our year end, which is April 30th. I encourage you to download the guide as it'll help you through this form, as this is a 10-page form and there is a lot of detail. The first thing I would like to mention is your charity name has to be the name your church is registered with CRA. And of course, our year end is April 30th. You'll need your business number, and under A1, was the charity a subordinate position to a head body? The answer to that is yes, and we are registered with Church of Nazarene in Ontario, not the Church of Nazarene Canada, and not the International Church. Down at the bottom of the page, you list your ongoing programs and any new programs that you have started. Ongoing programs are things such as morning worship, caravans, whatever you're doing during the week, small groups. New programs could be Alpha, could be any other thing in trying to do in the community. On page 2, under C3, did charity make gifts or transfer to qualified donees? And in most cases, that's going to be yes. If you paid your WEF, your alabaster, or if you've paid your district tithes, you must complete the Form T-1236 as mentioned in the previous recording. Under C6, they'll be asking you how you collect your money. In most cases, it's collection plate or boxes. Under C8 and C9, they're looking, did we compensate anybody, such as our pastors? The answer is yes, and then you have to complete Schedule 3. On page 3 of the form, we're looking to start fill out our financial information. And in most cases, we need to report that it was a cash basis, and then we look at our total assets, including building and total liabilities. These numbers must match your year-end profit and loss statement. Under D3, it says, did charity issue tax receipts for gifts? And our answer obviously is yes there. But I do want to caution you, because they're looking for total eligible amount of all gifts which charitable receipts were issued. And in most cases, in all cases, this must be from May 1st to April 30th. So you cannot take your, for instance, your 2018 tax receipts issued and put that number in there, because it's going to be split between the 2 years, because we record our tax receipts on a year end, and we need to record our tax receipts on the church year end. So this number must include from May 1st to April 30th what our tax receipts would be. Again, down at the last line in D3, total revenue number must match our profit and loss for our year end. Page 5 is basically the certification and confidential data, such as your address of your church and who's filled out this form, and you're confirming that you've read the privacy statement. And then down below here, it lists what a charity complete annual information return includes, and we went through this at the last recording. The last 6 pages will go very quickly, because most of it will not apply to most of our churches, and if it does apply to your church, again, please refer to the guide. We're looking at foundations and activities outside Canada. Then we're going to go down to page 7, and we're going to look at any amount amount of permanent employees, which will be, and what their compensation is. So you list, one employee for 40 to 79,000, let's say, and then you enter the information there. Then we go down to page 8, detailed financial information. Again, this is information you get off either your balance sheet or your profit and loss for the year ending April 30th. And then you just fill in the information that is required there. The same goes for page 9 in your expenditures, just off of your balance sheet and your profit and loss statement. Then in the last page, they're looking for your political activities or anything that you may be involved in. In most cases, it will be nothing for our churches. Thank you very much.